COVID-19 has forced a dramatic reappraisal of business and process practices. Providing high-impact teaching experiences has never been more challenging, especially where key objectives are to enhance real-world applicability and student employability. Since 2017, we've supported a prominent UK university's MSc module on international negotiations by creating a realistic crisis response simulation involving NATO, Russia and Ukraine, with role-playing by faculty members, a former ambassador and a retired Major General, supported by Simulation Deck. Students role-play the permanent representatives in the North Atlantic Council and their communications directors. They write an initial position paper, engage in the simulation, learning to persuade and influence others, before writing a reflective blog on lessons learnt. All work is assessed. Simulation Deck drives the scenario, prompting participants to promote and adapt their messages through their organisational portals, social media, blogs and statements for radio or TV. Over 36 hours, participants alternate between council plenaries and informal group meetings, where they seek to build alliances to amplify their voice, achieve consensus, and culminating in an agreed communique. Students have been enthusiastic about the use of simulation for learning and strongly recommend it to their peers. We asked them what kind of courses and topics would benefit from a simulation approach. These are their responses. Contact us now to discuss how to enhance your students' university experience and build transferable skills in a practical way, which can be delivered virtually if necessary.